Hello, so let's look at retain. Retain is quite a nice way to save you having to do into iter, filter, and collect. If you've got a vector of numbers or vec of anything, you can iterate over it. So here we're just going to iterate over the values, the elements. We're going to say for each, and then we've got a closure which just says take the number, multiply it by 3. We dereference the mutable reference so we can access the value and modify it. So without that asterisk there, this would not compile. So a typical way would be to do numbers and then into it, filter, collect. So there's 3 things you'd have to do there. And this works, this is fine. And we've got 6 and 12 because we're multiplying each of those numbers by 3 and picking out the even ones. So we'd have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 6 and 12 are the only even ones. So for leader CN, just comment that out. And then we do retain, numbers.retain. And then we just do this here, which is we take a reference to the number. And then if it's even, then it's true. So we keep it. And we discard anything which isn't. So if I run that, same result. As you can see, that's a lot more concise. So retain, really, really useful, good command to know. It's not one that I've seen in a lot of the kind of beginners or kind of the intermediate books or tutorials. In fact, the actual example on the Rust documentation, it's actually using binary heap as an example. So not necessarily something you would find when you first start learning Rust. So yeah, it's good to know. Retain, 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 retain. Retain that information, retain that knowledge. Retain that for when you might need it. So thanks for watching, and thumbs up, subscribe, and all that. And yeah, thanks for your ongoing views and interest in the channel. Thanks.